perfect for entertainment on the go. The ViewSonic M1 Portable WVGA LED projector delivers power and performance in a portable package. Weighing less than 2 pounds, this palm-sized projector delivers convenient, big-screen entertainment wherever you want. Bring it from room to room in your home, or take it outdoors for a movie night in your backyard, or your next camping trip. Setup is easy. The integrated smart stand rotates 360 degrees, so you can place the projector at nearly any angle when you're ready to watch. The smart stand also doubles as a lens cover that automatically powers on the projector when open and powers it down when closed. An integrated micro SD card slot and USB Type-A reader port allow you to share documents, videos, and other multimedia without having to connect to a PC. And for fast data, audio, video, and charging over a single cable, there's a USB Type-C port, which means you can plug and play media from your smartphone or other mobile device. Dual Harman Kardon speakers provide crisp and clear sound, while a short-throw lens can display large images from short distances. The LED light source provides over 30,000 hours of usage time, and a built-in battery provides up to 6 hours of power, so you can enjoy movies and videos without the hassle of wires or cables. So no matter where you go, the M1 projector delivers an immersive multimedia entertainment experience. To learn more, visit ViewSonic.com.
This is LaMetric, highly customizable dashboard that tracks all the key things for you. Everything that matters. Stock quotes in real time and assess your benefit. Learn about Twitter mentions and people's opinions. Know the time and subject of the upcoming meeting and never be late. These 3 elegant touch buttons will help you switch between things. LaMetric is easy to install. Plug it in. Put it wherever you like. Use the LaMetric app to connect it to the web via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Set up the clock, weather, calendar, email, Twitter, stock prices, and other information. Select the sound and rules for the data appearance. 3 customization widgets help you connect anything in the web. Add your favorite RSS to get the latest news. connect if this, then that, and simply enjoy being in touch with what's going on in the Internet. Sounds and text messages, show anything from the web, and share the joy with the world. LaMetric works for businesses. Show Facebook fans and let people choose the winner. Receive PayPal money. And celebrate every little success with the team. Track website visitors, conversions, other metrics, and pick up on what works and what doesn't. App rankings, downloads, and income will motivate your team and make their day. LaMetric works for your family. Know when your spouse leaves work and have the dinner ready on the table. Never forget about birthdays and anniversaries, and make them special for your loved ones. LaMetric, the smart dashboard that tracks what's important to you.